Hi, welcome to Story Time for the week of March 29th. Spring always reminds me of baby animals. This week I thought we'd read some duck stories and then do a duck paper bag puppet. If you'd like a duck paper bag puppet craft, you can pick it up at the library in the children's room while supplies last. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 973-538-6161. Our first story is called Click, Clack, Peep. Farmer Brown stuck his head out the window. The farm was too quiet. Everyone was watching the egg. Not a moo, not a click, not an oink, not a clack, not a baa, not a cluck, not a thing. Then a crack. Inside the barn, everyone gathered closer. Moo, crack, baa, crack, oink, crack, cluck, crack. Moo, crack, baa, crack, oink, crack. Baby duck. Baby duck laughed. Peep, 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 and laughed again. Baby duck waddled. Peep, 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 and waddled again. Baby duck played. Peep, 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 and played again. The animals yawned. Peep, 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 and yawned again. The chicken sang a lullaby, but baby duck would not sleep. Beep, beep, beep. The cows lowered the shades, but baby duck would not sleep. Beep, beep, beep. The sheep knitted a blanket, but baby duck would not sleep. Beep, beep, beep. The chickens went outside to get some sleep. The cows went outside to get some sleep. The sheep went outside to get some sleep. The mice went outside to get some sleep. Duck took off his headphones. Beep, beep, beep. He put baby duck into a bucket. Beep, beep, beep. He covered her with a blanket. Beep, beep, beep. He carried her outside. Beep, beep, beep. He climbed into the tractor. Beep, beep, beep. He buckled up the seat belts. Beep, 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 and backed out of the barnyard. Beep, beep, beep. He drove back and forth. Beep, 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 back and forth. Peep, 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 back and forth. Peep, peep, sleep. Farmer Brown opened his eyes after a good night's sleep. Not a moo, not a clink, not a clack. Not a peep. Uh-oh. His farm is a little messy from the tractor. And that is Click, Clack, Peep. Our next one is Splish, Splash, Ducky. Hello, my name is Ducky Duckling. When I'm feeling happy, I say, quack, quack, quack. Oh, goody, hooray! It's raining today. I'm going to find my friends to play. Quack, quack, quack. Drip, drip, drop. I hop with frog. Quack, quack, quack. I like to squirm with wiggly worm. Quack, quack, quack. A hug for bug, a hug for slug. Quack, quack, quack. Into the pond to play with the swans. Quack, quack, quack. Splash, splish, I swim with fish. Quack, quack, quack. We shake our feathers in rainy weather. Quack, quack, quack. Drip, drop, plip, plop. Rain is funny on your tummy. Quack, quack, quack. Squeak, squeak, hide and seek. Quack, quack, quack. Oh no, the rain has stopped. No more drips, no more drops, no more quacking. I'm feeling sad. I think I'll go see my dad. Cheer up, Ducky. Here comes the sun. Look at the butterflies having fun. We'll quack together, whatever the weather. Hop on my back and quack, quack, quack. And that is Splish, Splash, Ducky. This one's Ducks Away. Oh, the pages are sticking. Just a second. Okay, here we go. One fine day, a mother duck waddled onto a bridge. A fluffy yellow duckling followed right behind her. Actually, it was 2 little ducks. No, it was 3 little ducks. Wait, it was 4 little ducks. What? It was 5 little ducks. Except just then, a sudden gust of wind swept the last little duck right into the river below. Oh no, quacked Mother Duck. What should I do? Where shall I go? With 4 on the bridge and 1 below. One of the other little ducklings decided to take a look, and he toppled into the river below. Oh no, quacked Mother Duck. What should I do? Where should I go? With 3 ducks on the bridge and 2 below. Then another little duck peered over the edge, and she toppled into the river below. Oh no, quacked Mother Duck. What should I do? Where should I go? With 2 on the bridge and 3 below. Then another little duck peered over the edge, and she toppled into the river below. Oh no, quacked Mother Duck. What should I do? Where should I go? With 1 on the bridge and 4 below. Then the last little duck foolishly lost his footing, and he tumbled into the river as well. When Mother Duck looked down, the 5 little ducks looked up. Right, said Mother Duck. I know what to do. I know where to go. I'll have to fly down to the river below. She stepped slightly forward. She stepped slightly back. The 5 little ducks said, quack, quack, quack. Then the first little duck said, Mom, go with the flow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. And Mother Duck flew to the river below. Quack, said the 5 little ducks. You're back. And that was Ducks Away. The duck we're going to make is a duck puppet, and it looks like this. So in your craft kit, you're going to get a bag, and notice where the flap is, because the flap is important. Then you're going to get a belly where you put it under the flap. And then you're going to get the bottom beak and the tongue. And that also goes under the flap. And then you're going to get a top beak that's orange, and a face that is yellow. And you glue the orange beak on the yellow beak to make it look like that. And then you glue it on the flap. And then you're also going to get eyes. And so when you put it all together, you get a duck puppet that you can go quack, quack, quack. Enjoy making your duck puppets. Have a good day. Bye-bye.